Just found something at, and I just thought, I saw one of these before. I thought they were really cool. They're a little Hot Wheels DINKY car that's remote control. So I haven't seen this out, so I'm going to take this apart. We'll take a look at it and see what comes with it and how it works and how long and all that. Get my knife out here. So there it is there. Here's the car right there. There she is. Is it tape? Oh, there's these little things wrapped around the wheels. So I'm very interested to see how this thing will perform. There's a charger in here. Oh, it's one of these things. I hate these things. So I didn't realize it was one of these where you charge the car off your batteries. That's one thing. I had a helicopter like this. I hated that. Where you had to drain the power off your batteries to charge your device by plugging it into like there. So, not a big fan of that, but I thought I'd do a review on it. So yeah, to charge the thing, it has one of those annoying things. It actually doesn't go. They couldn't come with like a little USB charger to charge it up. A couple buttons on here, right, left, and the recalibrate button. All right, so we'll do a test here. Just spins like that, like crazy. The weird thing is it turns so hard like that. It just spins and turns. And then here, oh, someone might take it. Alright, so there's the car. Get out of the light here. It actually does drive fairly decently on the carpet too. Oh, I tipped over. Oh no. The wheels and the the back wheels go parallel when you hit the back. So the back wheels will go parallel when you hit the right, left, right. So it's basically the drive of it is this. I made it.
I like to order some old-fashioned hamburgers. This place has not been old-fashioned hamburgers since 1989. Now you can get plant-based and bug-based hamburgers. Ew, gross.
Put it up there. There we go. There you go. Whoop. Ah. Got a wheel thrown over here. There you go.